All right, I'm getting kind of nervous. I'm getting ready to cut this car and make it a T-top. So, gonna have to get over that and just start cutting, but I'll show you what I've done in the meantime. Made myself a little template off the old T-top door. I had it just like that. Marked out my line. That's where I'm gonna cut. Alright guys, so I've made a template out of this Amazon package, and I'm not going to rely on this 100% because the cardboard's pretty flimsy. I'm going to probably take a measurement from this hole upward, probably from here upward, and transfer the measurements over to the other door. And that was how I did the other side. So the rear spot, I simply just took a measurement with my little steel ruler and just put my line on there. And so I'm ready to cut the door frame. No reusing that, it's pretty dry and hard. So I've heard a lot about how these cars were converted over the years. I know I had one that was done at a Ford dealership after the car was purchased. And just looking at these two measurements where I've cut the windshield frame off, at the rear here I found them to be 100 thou different. Not that that's a lot, but I mean, these things aren't 100% is all I'm trying to say. So I think I'll err on the side of caution and go with my larger measurement of the two. Leave more material behind if I need to trim it. I can trim it. I can even do that with a file if necessary. So. Well, I don't know. There's not a lot of room here. I was thinking maybe if you get inside the car, what we'll do is we'll have the door open because I need room away from the car to cut, right? I'll just get you to hold this piece so when I slice it, you'll have hold of it so it doesn't come down on the door.
Okay.
So, I'm thinking that's the best thing. I don't know. I've never tried to make a T-top before.
Oh yeah, let's start with mine then.
You want? It was your idea. It was your idea. Okay, so we hold it out like that. Actually, okay, let me try and get comfortable here. No, you're fine, and I'm not going to hurt you. And you hold.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, safety glasses. I got a pair. I had a pair right here for you. Okay. So, I don't know, can it come out any further so I can stay away from the car myself? Yeah, like you just hold that. Okay. Whew. I don't like that one bit.
No, me neither.
Can't see where I want to be. Did I really just do that?
I wish it was your door.
Ooh, I'm gonna bang against the car if I do that with
Do you want me to move it in?
Move what in, honey?
Like, in my room or?
Yeah, you hop in the car and pull it back towards you. A bit. But I still think I'm gonna bang against the car. I wish I had a longer blade. Wish I had a longer blade. This might be the best way to do it so that I don't
So
hit.
these are becoming T-roof doors?
Yeah. I've not made myself enough room to work. Not working. Not working. So, how else can I tackle that without destroying the car? Just about hit it. Just about hit it. Let's put some tape on there. Well, it's a learning experience. I've never seen anybody do it before. I know it's been done, but I haven't seen how they did it. So.
I'm glad we're practicing with mine then.
You said you wanted it. If I remember it, I was going to sell this car. So. Oh, look, I think I got a t-shirt. Just kidding. I can weld. Well, what do you think?
You nicked it.
That won't matter. You're never going to see that.
All right, you're doing a good job.
Good. Okay, well, I'll set up to do the other side. You can shut it, just don't cut yourself on that cut mark. One down, no turning back now. First cut. That's not even the hard one. We're nervous about that, but that's not even the most nerve-wracking. I'm happy with the measurement here, but taking this measurement is more difficult. I think we're gonna need longer sawzall blade. I don't think I can use that little one. Should have picked one up the other day. Alright, well, I'll measure the other side, we'll cut it, and I'll move the car over so we have more room. First, that's nice. Thank you. All right. You want to cut it or you want me to do it?
I want you to.
I don't even want to do it.
Yeah, but if you gotta fix it, I'd rather you have broke it than me.
Well, when you get into these kind of repairs, it's awful.
Yeah, so I don't want it to be my fault.
You know, to weld something back together, I guess.
So you and me.
Great. Okay, so I'm going to take the boring towards you. All right. Well, yeah, let's just hope it's right. I measured about 100 times. The worst cut's yet to come.
I'm not doing that one either.
That's the one where if you screw up here, in real trouble. First shot's nice.